What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your Dyson V8's pre and post assembly filters. Let's get started. So starting off with the post assembly filter, which is pretty much the HEPA filter. This is it right here. You're going to take the HEPA filter on the Dyson itself and you're going to turn it counterclockwise, just like this, until it's open like this and you can see the filter is completely off. Then we're going to take, actually I'm going to leave the plastic on just in case it gets scratched, because with the other one it got scratched up a little bit from when I vacuumed. So I'm going to leave the piece of plastic in there just to protect it. So what you do is put in the filter and then you're going to turn clockwise. So there you go, and turning, and there you go. So it's not going anywhere. So there you have it. That's for the post filter. That's the HEPA filter. Now let me show you the other filter. So for the pre-filter assembly, it's very easy. You're just gonna pop this piece here open and you're just gonna remove it completely. And then you're gonna take your other filter. This is it right here. And just simply put it in until you hear that it's in tight and it's all good. So there you have it. This is how to replace the pre and post filter for your Dyson V8 vacuum. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe. Hope you have a great day. Take care.